I love how Illinois Mutual encourages you to get involved in the community that we live and grow in.
When it comes to the culture of working within the community, that's key here.
We encourage our employees to get out and get involved in the community, to give back, to think of others first.
It is more personal here at Illinois Mutual. Every person here loves to actually get involved and volunteer.
The employees of Illinois Mutual go above and beyond to make a positive impact in Central Illinois by volunteering their time and their skills in our community, whether they are teaching a class for junior achievement or ringing bells for the Salvation Army or volunteering at a local food bank.
That is a great feeling when you can come into work and know that your company cares about those who live and work in Peoria, Illinois.
We have a long-standing history of giving back and making an impact in Central Illinois.
Our company, they feel that responsibility as being a part of that village, to be a part of the community and to give back in the community. It's not something that we do because it's the right thing to do. We do because it's in our DNA.